Hey guys, so today I'm going to be installing these Autobeam LED indicator units. Right, so to start this upgrade, the first thing I'm going to do is unscrew the two torque screws that are on the back of the lights. To access this, all you need to do is lift up the boot. There is one more screw that holds on the lights, but there are two more screws in total that you'll need to take out. The first one is the one that to get to the second one, which is on the plastic trim. You need to pull that out and then you'll be able to access the finger tight screw, which is the last one holding on the lights. Once that's done though, you can take out the lights. They are clipped in, so you might need a little bit of force, but they do come out, and then you can just unclip the wiring loom. Now that we've got those off, to access the indicator bulb, you just turn the unit that it's in. Then to get the bulb out, you press it down slightly, twist it, and it comes out. To put the new one in, you just reverse this process. So now that's done, I'm going to make sure that the bulb is in correctly and that it's working. So instead of putting it all back on, I'm going to sit the lights in place and plug in the wiring loom. And yes, they're working and they are bright, a lot brighter than the standard, which you'll see later on. Okay, so now that one side's done, I'm going to do exactly the same but on the other side. So removing the two torque screws on the back of the lights first, and then removing the carpet to reveal the finger screw on the inside, taking out the lights, unclipping them, and then the same thing with the bulbs, twisting the holders, twisting and pushing down the bulb, and then reversing that process to put the new one in, putting it into place to test it, and then fitting them back together. And now that that's done, I'm just going to show you guys some comparisons before and after with the original bulbs. Right, so as you can see, this upgrade looks brilliant. You've got the before shots on the left and the afters on the right, and as you can quite clearly see, the afters are a lot brighter, and these are the LEDs compared to the standard halogen bulbs, and they are looking really good. If you want to know where to get these, I will show you on screen in a minute, and there will also be a link in the description below. Right, so to find the exact indicator bulbs that I've installed in this video, if you come over to Autobeam's website, you can search through shop, underneath LED, head down to indicator, click on that, and the exact ones I've installed in this video are the premium LED 581 indicator units. As you can see, they are really good. They're a great replacement and a worthwhile upgrade over the standards. Okay, so all that's left for me to say is thanks guys for watching. If you are buying from Autobeam, you can use discount code ASH12 for 12% off orders over £15. As always, hit that subscribe button if you like this, give the video a like, and leave me a comment of what you think, and see you guys in the next video.